Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. After yesterday's video, when Bitcoin's price was around 111,000, I feel like a broken record saying again and again that this could be the last dip. All these recent pullbacks, it feels like Bitcoin might finally be done digesting the excess and could be ready for a recovery phase. In the past 24 hours, about $733,340,000 in positions were cleared, with roughly $535,990,000 from long positions and $197,350,000 from short ones. From the recent top around 126,200 down to today's level near 108,100, Bitcoin has retraced roughly 15%. Right now, price action is kissing the 200-day EMA, a crucial support level, and that's likely the main reason we're at least seeing the market rest here for now. It may look discouraging when each rebound is followed by another drop, but if we study the candle structure and the curve of the wave trend indicator on the hourly chart, a potential bottom formation is visible. I personally opened another position alongside my existing ones from 115,000 and 111,000. My outlook hasn't changed. The broader market structure still shows signs of a continuing cycle, while most participants across markets remain in a state of caution and fear. Looking at the spot ETF net flows gives us some insight into sentiment. On the 14th, when price action recovered to 115,600 and then slipped again toward 110,000, ETF participants recorded net purchases of plus $102,700,000. Yesterday, the flow turned negative at minus $104,100,000, and today ARK is leading with minus $275,200,000, bringing the combined total to roughly minus $348,800,000, with a few reports still pending. These fluctuations suggest that institutional behavior is still highly reactive to short-term volatility. But historically, such imbalance often marks a turning point before stabilization begins. I'll continue providing these updates daily. Join the free Discord for real-time discussions. If you found value in this video, hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay informed. And see you in the next one.